Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist and I'm back again with another awesome video, and today we're gonna talk about a product that is gonna make our professional lives a bit easier and comfortable. But before we get on to talking about what product we're going to talk about, can I please request you to press that subscribe button and the notification icon so that you keep getting all the notifications and I keep getting all the motivation to keep bringing these awesome videos to you. And by any chance if you're watching us on Facebook, follow and like, and on both the platforms, do share the love by liking, sharing and commenting on our videos. Getting straight on to it, guys, today I have with me a monitor that is specifically designed for tech savvy and savvy professionals. So if you're looking for an idea for your office, or you want to upgrade your home office, or you have a child studying at home, you need a good quality monitor, and this is the one for you. This is the Lenovo ThinkVision P27. Now what makes this monitor so great is that, one, it looks amazing. It's 27 inches size, and it has near-edgeless display, so the bezels on the sides are absolute 0 mm, or close to 0 mm. But it is an amazing looking monitor. But along with being a great looking monitor, it has some amazing features. But let's talk about the QHD, which gives you the 2560 by 1440 resolution, anti-glare screen and USB Type-C one cable solution, so you don't worry about having many of those. Just one Type-C to Type-C cable, which is packed inside the box when you buy one, and you are sorted with any device. Ethernet port and built-in speakers, so if you want to get connected, it's easier to connect. Factory calibrated color accuracy with multiple color gamut. Easy multitasking with daisy chain, ergonomic and space-saving design because the base is so small and the height adjustment bit is there, and you can just save a lot of space. That means that when you put this on your table, there's all of a sudden a few more centimeters of space that you can use to keep it on the base. There's a nice little groove that they've cut out, which you can keep your mobile phone on and what's happening as well. Whether it's not, if you want to hide from your boss and watch a video on, you can do that as well. But, well, it's a business monitor, so let's keep focus on the business. So great looking monitor. Loved it. I mean, the 4K bit, specifically the QHD bit, the video editing on this was amazing, but along with that, it just gives you more clarity than you would expect in a non-QHD monitor. So talking about some key specifications, it's got 300 CDM square in brightness, 1000 to 1 contrast ratio. That's amazing. That's just amazing. And all the ports that you want in the world. It's got the USB Type-C, of course, HDMI 1.4, DLP 1.2, DLP 1.2 out, Ethernet port, and the standard USB generation 1 ports as well, and an audio jack. Awesome stuff. Great port. So whatever you want to connect with it, or you just want to plug in a USB and play something directly when you're connected, and this is connected, you can do that as well. In-plane switching when it comes to the panel, so no sweat there. But yes, the stand is amazing. As I mentioned, it has a tilt angle of 35 degrees, a swivel angle of 45 plus or minus degrees, and a lift range of 35 mm, no matter how tall you are, or even if your kid is using it. And well, so great stuff. So no matter where you're sitting, just twist and turn it, tilt it up and down, and adjust the height. You've got yourself your eye level, which of course has the anti-glare, the calibrated accuracy. And when you talk about the color, it's 99% sRGB and 99 BT709, and that's a broad range of coverage when it comes to colors, and an 8-bit color depth with 16.7 million color support. And to add icing to the cake, it comes with eye care. So long hours of work at home or in your office or for your child's study, you can be sure that your eye health is taken care of. And if you don't want to use the headphones or a Bluetooth speaker, it has two speakers inbuilt. These are speakers which are inbuilt, but it also comes with an optional soundbar support. So a great looking monitor. I think for me, the favorite two areas of my favorite will be the QHD and the eye care bit. And apart from that, it has everything. Quality monitor to add productivity, to add less stress to your eyes, or no matter what you use it for. So great looking monitor. And guess what? ThinkVision P27H is not very expensive as well. It's literally available at every major retailer in UAE at only 2,409. That's literally no money to pay for that quality of monitor. So guys, do check this monitor out and let us know what you think about it. If you have any technical questions regarding the monitor, I'll be happy to answer them. And if you get a chance to see it in one of the retail stores, take a selfie, post it on our Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, tag us at Great Lobbyist, and so that we can share this with Lenovo. Some amazing prizes as well, maybe from them. So guys, this is your friend, the Great Lobbyist, and I'm going to sign off with this. Keep yourself safe. Peace.